explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 16th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is paragraph writing. So जल्दी से इस paragraph writing को देखते हैं. What is paragraph writing? सबसे पहले ये समझते हैं. So a paragraph is a group of sentences. कि पैराग्राफ एक सेंटेंसेस का ग्रुप है. जब हम बहुत सारे सेंटेंसेस को एक साथ कंबाइन कर देते हैं तो वो एक पैराग्राफ फॉर्म करते हैं. ऑल द सेंटेंसेस इन अ पैराग्राफ आर रिलेटेड टू द सेम मेन आइडिया. कि सभी सेंटेंसेस उस पैराग्राफ में सिर्फ एक मेन आइडिया से रिलेट करते हैं. अ पैराग्राफ यूजुअली हैज अ टाइटल. कि एक पैराग्राफ में यूजुअली एक टाइटल गिवन होता है. करेक्ट. नाउ दे से रीड द फॉलोइंग पैराग्राफ्स. अब हमें यहाँ पर कुछ पैराग्राफ्स दिए गए हैं और साथ ही साथ हमें उन्हें रीड करने के लिए बोला गया है. सो द टॉपिक ऑफ द पैराग्राफ इज अ पीकॉक. सो लेट्स सी कि पीकॉक के बारे में इन्होंने पैराग्राफ में क्या क्या चीजें लिखी हैं. A peacock is a beautiful bird. It has long and lovely feathers. The peacock is a dancing bird. Its feathers are of green and blue colors. It has quite a long and thin neck. It dances during rains. It has a crown on its head. It can open its tail like a great fan. Its legs are ugly. It sheds tears when it looks at its feet while dancing. The peahen has no feathers. It is a bulky bird. It cannot fly very high. It is a harmless bird. The peacock is our national bird. Right? Correct? Moving ahead, we have one more example. Let's read this also, which is about my school. So let's begin reading this. So it says, my school is a big and beautiful place. It has many classrooms, a library, and a large playground. There are many trees and flowers around the school, making it look green and fresh. Every morning, we start our day with prayers. My teachers are kind and teach us new things every day. We learn different subjects like English, math, and science. There is a big hall where we celebrate festivals and special events. I love playing with my friends during recess. We also have a computer lab where we learn about technology. My school teaches me good manners and discipline. I feel happy when I go to school. I love my school very much. Right? Next, we have another example that is of Diwali. Let's read this also and get even a clear idea how to frame these paragraphs. Right? So, India is the land of festivals. Diwali falls in the month of November. It comes 20 days after the Dussehra festival. Ram had returned to Ayodhya on this day after winning victory over Ravan. The people lit earthen lamps to honor and welcome him. Diwali is the festival of lights. The people whitewash their houses and shops. The children buy toys and crackers. The people buy new utensils, clothes, and sweets. Children explode crackers at night. Candles are sold in large numbers. The people worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. They send Diwali greetings to their friends and relatives. Some foolish people drink and gamble at night. They ruin themselves, right? Now, as we have read all the examples and we move ahead, so we have a lot more examples for you, the topics for you, so that you can practice the paragraph writing on your own, right? How to frame these paragraphs. So, that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed the chapter and learned to write the paragraphs. So, that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.